Okay, number 30 says find the equation of the line parallel to this line that goes through the point 9, -1. So when they say parallel to that, they're saying they're giving you the slope. So parallel lines have the same slope. So the slope of this line is -1/3. So the slope of the other line is the same, -1/3. They're parallel. And then it goes through the point 9, -1, right? So they give us an x value and a y value. So we're going to substitute into y equals mx plus b. We're going to substitute everything we know and solve for b. So y is -1, slope is -1/3, x is 9 plus b, right? So we get -1 equals -3 plus b. Add 3 to both sides. So we get 2 equals b. So b equals 2. So we have b and we have m. So the equation is y equals m, which is -1/3, x plus b, which is 2. And there's the equation of the line.